Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the updated steps to add text to your WhatsApp status. It's quick, easy, and a great way to express yourself. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account and ready to go. Next, tap on the Updates tab located at the bottom of your screen. This is where you'll find all your status updates and the option to create a new one. Now, look for the new text status icon, which appears as a pencil in the bottom right corner. Tap on it to open the text editor. Here's where the fun begins. Enter the text you want to share. You can customize it by changing the font, background color, or adding emojis to make it more personal and creative. Take your time to adjust it until it looks just right. Once you're happy with how it looks, simply tap the Send button, represented by a paper plane icon, to post your text as a status update. And that's it. Your personalized WhatsApp text status is now live for your contacts to see. It's a simple yet powerful way to share your thoughts or feelings with friends and family. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with others and explore more tips on making the most of WhatsApp. See you next time.